If you own any style pickup truck, having a hard folding cover is going to greatly help you out for these following reasons. This hard folding aluminum truck bed cover sits very low profile. It adds a lot of style to your truck. This one's called the UnderCover Ultra Flex. It's heavy duty aluminum and it matches the bed of the truck really, really well. Keep all your cargo safe and secure. Go out to your truck, lower tailgate to open the cover. This cover has a rail system which is attached to the bed right here. It's all clamped on, and that's how the cover folds. So you go out to your truck and you release this from either side and then just flip it over. You can see the rail system there is all clamped on. There's no drilling required. It has weather sealing here to keep the water out. All these seals are really heavy duty. They're meant to withstand the heat. This carpet is cool to the touch when you're folding it in this hot summer heat. And then this cover locks in increments, so each time you pull that, it locks on the rail. So you just pull that from either side, flip it right up. You have this ability here to drive with this cover open in this position. Now you can go highway speed in that position. So you have partial bed access to your truck right here. You can load large items. If you want to go up one more time, you have that ability too. So when you need to haul something large, you can go up one more time. You just pull this under here, flip it up all the way, and now you get your full bed access right here. This cover has a rod on the side that you undo right here, which attaches right here. So now you can go down the road with it like this on both sides. It has a drain tube to keep the water out, so if any water gets in there, it goes out of the drain tube. And this cover is safe to go down the road like that. It's about the height of the cab, maybe a few inches taller. The other one, the back flip cover, leans against the back window. People like the UnderCover Ultra Flex and the UnderCover Armor Flex because they don't touch the back window. And then you just undo this here and that's what unlocks it. And then you just let it fall. So this is a really good material, heavy duty. You get the weather protection, you get partial bed access, you get full bed access. It keeps all your cargo safe and secure. UnderCover's made in the USA. The warranty covers the seals on it. It covers the finish on it. It covers the locks on it. You get a 5-year manufacturer warranty, and it has a weather seal all around it. Shut the cover, lock it up, you're ready to go. Visit Truck Access Plus and get a truck bed cover installed or shop online today.